What is cardinality? Number of records in a table is called its cardinality. What is degree? Number of columns in a table is called its degree. What is domain? Domain refers to the list of possible values an attribute can store. What is primary key? Primary key is one or more attributes in a table which act as a unique identifier for each record. Give the SQL command to activate the employee database. Use employee. What is tuple? A row or record is also called tuple. What is attribute? A field or column is also called attribute. What is relation? A table is also called relation. What is entity? A table is also called entity.